السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔
وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔
How are you, brother Nafis Ahmed?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine, brother Salahuddin.
What's going on in nowadays?
I am studying in the Mदरسہ Plus.
I want to ask you some questions in English. Can you reply me?
Why not? Of course.
I am going to ask you some question in English.
Please tell me.
Do you believe in only one Allah?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I believe in only one Allah.
Do you go to masjid every day?
Yes, I go to masjid every day.
Do you take hot tea?
Yes, I take hot tea.
Does she recite the Holy Quran?
Yes, she recites the Holy Quran.
Do you play evening in the daily?
No, I don't play evening in the daily.
Where are you from?
I am from Mewat.
How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
MashaAllah, brother Nafis Ahmed, you are intelligent student.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Same to you.